Well, thanks guys. Enough with the discussion on all vehicles becoming electric. Let's talk about having some fun off-road. This is the 2021 Ford Ranger, but it is their Tremor Off-Road Package. If you like to go off-road like I do, then this is a truck you're gonna wanna consider taking off-road. For years, customers begged for the return of the Ranger, and in 2019, Ford listened. Fast forward a few years later, and customers are now demanding more off-road capability similar to the highly popular Ford Raptor. And Ford says the addition of the Tremor package makes this Ranger the most off-road capable for US customers to date. There's a host of new changes to the Tremor version of the Ranger, and one of those changes is an all-new front and rear suspension. The rear suspension makes use of Fox's coveted monotube dampeners. And the Ranger Tremor relies on a lifted suspension and beefier general grabber tires, and that gives it a ground clearance of nearly 10 inches. That's up almost an inch above the stock 4x4 Ford Ranger. This means the Ranger Tremor can confidently tackle more challenging terrain when compared to any other US factory-built Ranger before it. And with the Ranger Tremor, you know you get that great off-road capability, but as truck owners, you want to make sure that you have the same capabilities that you do with a normal truck, like payload and towing capacity. Ranger Tremor touts a respectable payload capacity of 1,430 pounds and a maximum towing capacity of 7,500 pounds when properly equipped. These are very impressive numbers for only a mid-size truck. And on the inside of the Ranger Tremor, there are a host of key off-road features as well. One of those are the 6 auxiliary switches on the dashboard. Not to mention you have an easy push button so that you can lock up that rear differential. On the exterior, the Ranger Tremor looks tough, has special badges, and even an optional hood and body graphic package that helps separate it from your everyday Ranger on the trail. And Ford engineers integrated in what they're calling hoop steps right here. And they're great because they allow you to get in and out of the truck really easy. And at the same time, they don't sacrifice your ground clearance for great off-road capability. On the inside of the Ranger Tremor, stealthy black accents are mixed in with suede inserts with the Tremor logos stitched into the seat backs. Thanks to its aforementioned capabilities, the Ranger Tremor is just as much about work as it is play. And to close it out, guys, with the Ford Ranger Tremor, you literally can be king of the mountain. Starting price is $29,120, and that is for an XLT or Lariat, which are the only 2 trim levels that Ford will offer the Tremor package on. The Tremor package itself, just under $5,000. It'll be available early next year. I'm Mike Caudill.